In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove Apple Cash from payment and shipping. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have Apple Cash registered as a payment method, when you go over to your Apple ID settings under payment and shipping and you would like to have it removed, there are two main ways to do this. So first, for the simplest one, all that you have to do is open the settings app on your iOS device, tap on your name, and go over to payment and shipping or access your payment methods. In there, all that you have to do is tap Edit, and at the left side of any payment method, you will see this red Delete button. All that you have to do now is tap on the red button at the left side of Apple Cash, and immediately this should remove it from the list, so it's no longer going to appear under your payment and shipping payment methods. And of course, you can repeat this process with as many payment methods as you would like to remove. Now, if for whatever reason you cannot seem to remove the Apple Cash payment method from payment and shipping, or if it keeps appearing, then don't worry, there is an alternative method that I'm going to show. Go back inside of the settings app, and instead of going over to payment and shipping or the payment methods, go over to the Wallet and Apple Pay settings category instead. When you go over to Wallet and Apple Pay, at the top you will find the option to completely disable Apple Cash. So if you aren't using Apple Cash at all, it might be a worthwhile consideration to disable this. And as you might imagine, by disabling Apple Cash from this window, it is going to disappear from payment and shipping, so you can choose whichever option you prefer. So first, I would recommend trying to remove Apple Cash individually from payment and shipping, and if it doesn't go away for whatever reason, then just toggle the option here under Wallet and Apple Pay. As long as you disable it here, or you remove it from there, it is going to be gone and it's no longer going to appear under your standard payment methods. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Apple Cash from payment and shipping. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.